Hello everybody, I want to show you guys how to make Thieves wipes today because I found these really cool containers and there's dry wipes inside on Amazon and it has a little lid where you can pull it out. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to make Thieves wipes. So just get 1 cup of water, and I can't find my tablespoon, so I'm just using a teaspoon. So 3 teaspoons equals a tablespoon, right? And then I just like Thieves, so we'll make it more thievesy. So 5 drops. And then stir and pour. Ta-da! That's it. Then you can just pull it. Then you have Thieves wipes or disinfectant wipes on the go. You can put it in your diaper bag. You can put it in your car. You can clean your house. You can take it wherever, whatever you need to clean. So that's it. Okay, bye.